On a cold, rainy night, a tiny puppy was left all alone. He was scared, hungry, and had nowhere to go. He looked at every passing person, hoping someone would help. So he searched for food anywhere he could. But there was nothing. The cold night made him tremble. He curled up, trying to stay warm. And quietly, he cried. But then, someone finally saw him. And gently reached out. For the first time, the puppy felt hope.
He was finally safe.
That night, the lonely puppy found a home.
अगर आपको इस नन्हे पपी की कहानी पसंद आई तो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें।